Meanwhile, the impending end of the state of emergency in St. James is not going down well with some residents. TVJ's Janella Precious has that story.
Norwood Gardens resident Denville Williams was once a sprightly, healthy man until he found himself in the wrong place at the wrong time, ironically, in the community he calls home.
It's 5 shots I got, you know. Look down here. 5 shots I got. See there? See what I look like? 5 shots I got. And I don't know when I will overcome this.
His problems don't stop there.
See, my hand can hardly move them because of this uprising with gunshot and all kind of thing in the community.
In fact, if you are from Norwood Gardens, chances are that you either know or may be familiar with a victim of gun violence.
Last year I lose one of my nephew and almost lose my brother-in-law also.
For years, areas in St. James like Norwood Gardens have been marred by bloodshed, violence and mayhem. Residents, however, say under the state of public emergency, the last 11 months have been peaceful.
Through the case of emergency, we can walk up and down.
We feel more safer in our house, we feel more safer on the street. When the young man them come to shop, sometimes they have to be looking right and left. They are so scared. We are not seeing that anymore.
But there's an air of worry in light of recent discussions about the future of the state of emergency in St. James.
What the opposition should do is try and find the gun them where them bury all about the place. Come and find them. And then they can say they don't want it. But once they are here, until they move as they move, the same old shooting start again.
And a word to the government and the opposition.
On a big man level still, you see, if the opposition are fight against something, if he say we come together, if we have a better plan and work together, more than for the fight against something and see they go on good. You understand?
Janella Precious, TVJ News.